Hello, I am Kim Von Berg, your miraculous communication mentor. I'm excited to be offering my groundbreaking workshop called The 3 Keys to Transform Your Most Challenging Communication Breakdowns. We gave our holiday version of this workshop in December to help with the holidays, and many people have requested that I offer this one more time to set the tone right for the new year. Have you ever been in a situation where you've gotten emotionally triggered in an important conversation with a friend, colleague, or loved one, and then the whole interaction started to go downhill and you just could not regain your footing? I know I have. If you have, you'll want to join me for this free workshop that I'm offering just for you. You will be learning in just a short time the 3 simple keys to positively transform your most difficult conversation moments into profound opportunities. So please sign up to join me on Wednesday, January 17th at 5 p.m. Pacific Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And don't worry, if you can't make the call, we will be sending you a recording link shortly after the workshop. I can't wait to have you join us. Simply click the button to reserve your seat.